Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to use Turtle graphics in Python 3.14 on Windows 11 and an important thing you need to know before trying to install it. Understand this first. Turtle is a built-in Python module, so you do not install it using pip. If Python is installed correctly, Turtle is already available. First, let's make sure Python is installed. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon to open the Start menu, then type CMD in the search bar. Once the command prompt appears, click on it. When the command prompt opens, type Python space -- version. Hit enter. If you don't see Python 3.14.2 or any other version of Python over here after you run this command, do not worry. I have made a separate video on how to install Python 3.14.2 on Windows 11. You can find the link to this video in the description box. Watch that video and come back to this one after you have installed Python. But if the version appears, then you are good to go. Now the next step is to open idle. Turtle works best with idle, which comes with Python. So to open idle, open the Start menu again and write idle over here. You see idle belonging to Python 3.14 appears. Click on it. Alright, the idle shell has opened, but we are not going to write Turtle code in the idle shell. We are going to open idle editor. To do that, we are going to click on file and then click on new file. There we have idle editor open. In the idle editor, we are going to write a program to move a turtle. Let's write it. So we'll import turtle first, then we'll write t equals to turtle dot turtle brackets, and then we'll write t dot shape within its brackets, within double quotes, we'll write turtle. Then we'll write t dot forward, and within its brackets, we'll write 100. Finally, the last line of this program will be turtle dot done. Alright, we have written our program. This program is going to create a turtle window and is going to move a turtle forward. Let's save this file. I'm going to save it on my desktop and I'm going to call it turtle_demo. Click on save. You can see the file has been saved on my desktop, and by default it is saved with .py extension. Let's run this program. So we are going to click on run and then click on run module. And there you go. A new window opened and you just saw that the turtle moved. This proves that the module turtle is working correctly. Just because turtle is already a part of Python, you won't be able to install it using pip. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to use turtle in Python 3.14 on Windows 11 from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.